Hi there. I'm feeling pretty lucky that you have responded back to my message on Twitter. And I just want to say thank you on behalf of our whole team. We are a team of three people. Two of us live in Derby, Midlands in United Kingdom, and one is in Singapore. Altogether, we have more than 20 years of experience in IT industry. I know you must be really busy, so without wasting any time, I want to give you a quick demo of our app. You might want to grab a coffee before we start. Yeah. I've been myself using and hosting events in different parts of UK via meetup.com and received plenty of complaints about its usability as well as its excruciating charges for managing a group, a single group. And so, me and my co-founders, we decided to create a super simple app which does not cost you an eye and makes your life simple instead of making it more harder to manage events. Right. So here we go. We'll start the demo. Okay, so this is our homepage. We have all attended 60 days startup course from Mitch Harper, who is the founder of BigCommerce. Perhaps you already know him. And we have taken all of his suggestions, what to keep and what not to, have on the index page to make sure that we have, the best conversions of our users when they arrive on our website. So simply by clicking on the join button on the right top, as you can see, you can go and simply search any groups available in your city. And we made it really simple and mobile optimized. So I'll search for Edinburgh and click on it and search for it. And here all the groups in Edinburgh is listed. We are also working on the advanced searching functionality and it will be done soon. Once you click on a group, you can see that it's super simple. I think there is no learning curve for any user while they're using our app. All of our call to action buttons, just like join, are behind the sessions. So if you want to join a group, you need to log in. And you might have noticed here that we haven't included any sign up form here. And that's because we studied and found that quite a lot of people nowadays like to log in socially with social app. And that's why we included it. It also reduces the spam where, on Meetup, a lot of people register with fake emails, fake images, and then they just join the groups to increase the numbers, and then they just never turn up. So considering these things, we did that. So once you're logged in, you can search for group here with this button, or you can start your own group. So I'll give you a little demo how you can start it. So you just click on a get start button and then you just search for your city. So for example, if I search for London, it populates all the options for me and then I can choose whichever I want to. And then click on the next button where I can choose the topics for my group. So if I'm creating a group for singles, I'll I'll search for singles and then it gives me an option. I can select and deselect options straight away from there. And then when you click next, you just provide the name of your group. So for example, singles in London. And then once that's done, you can provide some description. And for this example, I'll just put singles in London and then click on next button. We have provided some examples also here. And then that's it. You can read our community guidelines and then agree and continue. So obviously our USP is our cost. So we charge only £12 a year for managing a group with all the features included. We are also thinking to include a lifetime offer for product hunt launch. And we wanted to ask you and take your feedback or your supervision on this, that how should we include it or not? And then if we do include it, what kind of costing structure or model we should do? We should do it 29 or 49. Depending upon your suggestion, we'll go forward with it. So going forward, we haven't integrated Stripe on it. So I'll just put my test mode card number here. Oops, there we go. And once you provide all the details, you can just select on the subscribe button, and then it takes you back to the portal. So, compared to Meetup, where you can't actually edit anything on your group until unless it's been reviewed, on our app you can actually start editing, putting images on your group, which is easy while you're setting up your group, and it's easy for our reviewers also to understand if the event host or the group host has put enough effort to create the group. We have also created the call to action member button. If somebody wants to leave the group, it's quite easy, it's not that hard. We have also included reviews for the groups, which is also available on Meetup, but Meetup just only takes the review, just never shows it on the Meetup groups. So we have included all the basic functionalities, which is you can add meetups events into your group easily. You have admin panel for every group host. When you add the emails, you can literally provide the subject and message and click on next button and send it to everyone. It's not like Meetup where you have to wait for approval or anything. So it's quite straightforward. And we have also included discussions and photos also. So all required features are there. So for our beta users, which we will be getting on board after Product Hunt launch, we have added this feedback feature where people can literally take some snapshot of the page where they are and then annotate it and provide their feedback and send it to us via a form which we integrated on the platform itself. So yeah, this is all about the Bylde.com, which is a platform for creating and hosting your events and groups. So hope you like it, and we are super excited to get hunted by you on Product Hunt. And please do send us your feedback if you want us to change anything, or if you think there's some more features we can include before the launch. Then please let us know. And thank you again for responding on Twitter, and we look forward to hear from you soon. Thanks. Cheers.